Okay, today we have one car. This car is not cooling, so we check. As we see, the controller is showing 22, but there is an error. AL6. So first thing we will do, we check the pan motors if working, then we try to troubleshoot. Okay. And we will check the evaporator. The evaporator fan is working, as you see. The fan is working. This unit is Euro Frigo unit, and this is old model. So we try to check the condenser fan. The condenser fan, well, it's not working. As you see, the fan is not working. We're going to check the compressor now if it's working. Aba? One minute. The engine is running, as you see, but the compressor is not working. The compressor clutch is disengaged. So we try to find out what's the problem. We'll try to check the line electrical system and check for my next video for any updates of this car, and to know what is the exact trouble and what's the solution with it. Thanks for watching.